How to backup recordings to SD card in Reolink. An SD card in a Reolink camera provides reliable local storage for recordings, acting as a primary backup or storage. This guide will show you how to ensure your camera is recording to the SD card. Please note that directly backing up into an SD card from cloud storage or NVR via the app is typically not an option. The SD card acts as a recording destination. First, ensure that you have a compatible SD card, usually class 10 or higher, properly inserted into your Reolink camera's SD card slot. If it's a new card, you may need to format it first within the app settings. Open Reolink app and tap on the gear icon next to your camera to enter its settings. Look for record, storage or a similar option related to recording settings. Since you don't have any access to a Reolink camera right now, please follow the steps mentioned here. Here, you'll find an option to record to SD card. Ensure this toggle is on. You can also set a recording schedule, example continuous motion only, to manage how and when recordings are saved to the SD card. Your camera will now automatically save footage to inserted SD card. You've successfully set up your Reolink camera to record to its SD card. Enjoy reliable local storage. Like and subscribe for more Reolink storage tips.